Hi everyone, Ryan from Huckabye again. Here we're going to be talking about rich results and the logos. How to get your company logo to show up in rich results. So first off, what is that? Taking a look at it, here it shows in the knowledge panel the logo of the company. And if we actually go to the website, it's the same logo that's on the website. Now, simple enough, you actually don't need to do anything but have a logo on your website, which who doesn't? Who doesn't have their own company logo? They want to brag about themselves, right? So our software will automatically look for that logo, mark it up. As you can see in the rich results test, it's right there. Our software goes in, picks it out, marks it up, and you qualify to actually show in search results with the logo on the knowledge panel. So easy, easy, easy. Nothing to do on your end. If you have any other questions on any other types of rich results that you can get, we have an article in our support desk at support.huckabye.com. There's an entire list of those. We'll get into a list of every article that you can actually do, and I'm just rambling on, so I need to stop. So yeah, take a look at support.huckabye.com, and thanks for watching.